Hi friends, and welcome to Mama Elephant's May 2025 release. Today we are introducing Build a Potted Plant and its coordinating creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamped images. There is of course a pot for your plant, there are leaves, a flower and some plant picks. I will be combining this set with some different Mama Elephant sets, therefore I'm coloring an extra pot. Copic color numbers can be found in the description below. I'm using my white jelly roll pen for both the accents as well as to make a pattern on the pot. Now let's move on to the background. I die cut the largest panel from Mod Hard Creative Cuts, and I am using some distress ink in Kitsch Flamingo and Lumberjack Plaid to give it some interest. I cut the same Mod Hard panel from some cardstock to make a floor for the little flower shop I will be building. Now we can assemble our card. I'm starting with a standard white card base and I'm adding a Kraft cardstock panel on top. Now we can add our front panel, which I distressed using some acrylic white paint. I hand drew a shelf to place my 3 plants on, and these are from Mama Elephant's Deliver Spring Happiness and Little Succulent Agenda. Next we can add the 2 big plants. Here you can see the first one, which is called a Spatifilium, if I'm correct. And the second one I took from Peekabuddies, and this is the Monstera plant. And finally we add our little bunny to the flower shop, and this bunny is from a stamp set that I will be introducing in a couple of days, as is the watering can. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of introductions. This release will be available from the 15th of May. Bye!